Thank you, Paul. Good morning, everybody. My name is Lori Nelson, and I teach a STEM lab at Hampton Cove Elementary School. It's actually called the Entertainment Technology Academy. It started as a pilot program about 10 years ago. It's only in about 5 schools right now, but the main focus of my STEM lab is on coding. We do a lot of robotics and engineering as well, though, and I would like to say the Try Engineering website is fantastic, and there's multiple ways that you can look up lessons in that. You can look it up by grade level, by age, by content. It's a wonderful website that IEEE has done a wonderful job on that website. But this year, I found out about a product that is locally made. There's a company in Huntsville called Firia Labs, and it's run by David and Jerry Ewing. And I happened to find out about it because our gate teacher went to a conference, and they were there. The Ewings were there, and they demonstrated the product. And it is such a fantastic product. As soon as I found out about it, I knew we had to have it for our kids. But basically, in my STEM lab, we use code.org, which teaches the children how to write computer code. But we use Blockly, which is a drag and drop computer language. So it's very simple, and it's great for teaching kids the how to learn the basics of computer programming. But I've seen, especially with the fifth graders, which is the highest grade that I teach, they needed more, and they started asking a lot about text-based coding, and how is this like text-based coding? So to find a product that's so wonderful, like the JumpStart kit that introduces kids to text-based coding, it's just wonderful to me. And they basically will get a kit with the grant. I'll be buying 10 kits, and then our gate teacher actually got a grant for another 10 kits through the gate program, and so we'll have 20 kits available for our kids to use. But basically, there's a hardware kit that goes with the software, and the software is called CodeSpace that they developed, and the hardware kit plugs in. And the beauty of it is, as they are working through the modules of the through the CodeSpace program, they have immediate feedback, because what they program, the programs that they write, they can automatically download, and the little computer board that's attached will perform whatever they've coded. So for instance, this has LED lights, it has uh, music on it. They can play little tunes, they can program it to make a heart, do different colors. It's really cool. And for kids to have immediate feedback like that, it really gets them excited about the programs that they're writing. So we are absolutely thrilled to offer this to our children. It's an amazing product, and it's a fairly new product. So I'm happy to kind of get the word out for the Ewings as well. And by the way, they were fantastic when I contacted them back in the spring when I was writing the grant. I contacted them. They said, "Would you like to have a virtual meeting?" And I said, "Sure." They spent about an hour with me on a meeting, and they sent me one of the kits so I could play with it and learn about it, and find out about it. So they're just wonderful people to work with. So thank you, Stead Train. We are thrilled to offer this advancement, this enrichment in coding for our students. Thank you so much.
And thank you for bringing it to our attention. It's always great to see the innovative work that you as teachers do to build your grants. We are always amazed what what you learn and share with us.